Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on the processing of poultry feed under the activity of PM FME scheme. Poultry farming is increasing at a very fast pace across the world, and this business has a potential of excellent growth. Poultry feed plays a very important role in this business. In poultry farming, farmers need the poultry feed to ensure the development of chickens within a fixed time. Poultry feed is food for farm poultry, including ducks, chickens, geese, and other domestic birds. Poultry feed is rich in protein, minerals, vitamin, etc. This feed is prepared in such a manner to make sure that chickens are developed within a definite time span. The demand of poultry feed is increasing continuously. In poultry farming, according to age, the broiler hens are given 14 days pre-starter, 15 to 28 days starter, and after 29 days, finisher feed. And these are the three products which have to be manufactured. Market scenario. Speaking about market scenario, poultry business industry is growing rapidly. It has an annual growth rate of 15%. Given the growth, it is certain that poultry feed has an excellent future. For the production of poultry feed, you will need corn, millet or bajra, soya bean or rancid rice bran, dried rice bran or mustard oil cake. Additionally, additives like threonine, lysine, methionine, vitamin, and minerals are also used in the poultry feed. Manufacturing process. To make poultry feed, first of all, raw materials like corn, soybean, etc. are tested in lab. According to the command given by computer operator, the raw material is weighed. This material is passed through hammer mill, where it gets broken into small pieces and takes a powdered form. The powder feed then reaches the mixer, where additives are mixed in the sender line. In order to gain energy at a good level, vegetable oil like soya oil is used as per the formula. Mixed powder feed is cooked through boiler steam. The computer stores all the features, and by giving commands, it is transferred from boiler to steam pellet mill. The food is cooked through steam. Pelleting of cooked food is done by using pellet mill and is shaped in pellet form. Then it is fed to a crumbler so as to reduce oversized pellets into required length pellets. At this point, the final product is ready, which is then packed via appropriate packaging arrangements, which in this case is a semi-automatic filling machine and a semi-automatic sack stitching machine. These sacks, filled with pelletized poultry feed, are then again weighed to ensure required weight, followed by which they are stored in finished product inventory prior to dispatch for sale. Area. To start poultry feed business, an area of 40,000 to 60,000 square feet is needed. It also needs raw material, office work and storage, machineries and equipment. Poultry feed manufacturing business will need hammer mill, pellet mill, boiler, crumbler, conveyor, counter flow cooler, scrambler machine, automatic bagging machine. Production capacity. Talking about the production capacity, 15-ton food processing is done with 50 to 60 manpower within an hour. Single day capacity is 200 to 215 tons per day. For poultry feed business, you will need business registration, trade license, MSME Udyam registration, NOC from State Pollution Control Board, ISI mark certification, and trademark registration. Till now, what you have seen is the modern processes of poultry feed manufacturing demonstration video under PM FME scheme. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state and union territory governments, has launched an all-India, centrally sponsored Prime Minister formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.